Alright, welcome to the channel. So we're going to just do a quick video
let's close the door
on
so we have
washing the Mustang on day 2. And we're going to pull the front fender off in the end and check the damage to the front of the car. And we'll check the mileage, and
big brakes.
At the end we'll just give it a little rev to check the strength of that
this car did not come with
5 liter.
Because
alright, let's go.
This car, I have to look through the codes, but I'm going to say this car was a baseline 5 liter 6-speed car. Okay, so this side is the better side, huh? Well, okay, so we are looking at lava red. Okay, lava red, which is 2.3% of the cars. And then it's got aftermarket taillights in it, which they didn't. Oh, you see? Look at that. Okay, so extremely dirty. I haven't started this yet, don't know what it sounds like, but it's got one of those MBR exhausts or something. MBRP. So this exhaust is supposed to sound good. So I cleaned some of it yesterday, but I need to vacuum and stuff. So today we're gonna power wash it real quick. We're gonna vacuum it out. And actually today I'm just gonna start it up. I just want to hear what it sounds like. Let it sound like it runs. Okay, so this is a manual car, right? So don't know what that is. Okay, this is off, that's cold, that's all off, that's all off. This seat is way too high. Okay, not my favorite. All right, let's push that clutch in. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Stone dead. Oh! Pouring up underneath it? No. Okay, that's a good sign. Oh my goodness. This thing's a monster. Bet you every check engine light is on. Wow, no check engine light? How you manage that? How does you manage no check engine light? Oh, it's got gas in it. Holy cow. This thing's a monster. Alright, if you want to watch get washed for a couple of minutes, that's this next segment. If not, fast forward it, then we're going to take the left front wheel off after we put it up on jack stands and see what the damage is to the Mustang.
Looks like it looks like the frame survived, and it was rear. No, not rear. Sorry, left front lower control arm, left front spindle, left front strut. So those are going to be my three pieces I changed first, and then we're going to see if the steering rack is damaged and how it looks after that.
Yeah, I know we're not supposed to wash cars.
dry. Wash this hood. Put a little soap on the hood. Okay. So day 2, just try to get it a little cleaner. It's a mess, honestly, but you know that's what happens when you don't take care of the car. How did they go through that much soap that quickly? Geez, the thing is so small. Hold on. Alright, got soap back in it. Now that's what it's supposed to look like when there's soap in it. Bubbles. That's enough soap. All right, let's get this soap off because Florida Sun says can't keep soap on a car. Otherwise, we'll burn it into the paint. Let's see if we get this hood. This hood is garbage, but let's just clean it anyway so it looks better. All right, you guys get the logistics, right? You still taping? All right, good. So, that is day 2. We're gonna vacuum it out in a minute, but who wants to watch that garbage, right? Actually, the best part is that I had control arms sitting under that table, and I just recently got rid of everything that was thinking I would never use. And I could have popped it in this car and I could have had this car rolling. Unbelievable. Now I gotta buy a control arm. Oh well. All right, see you next one. All right, wheels off. So that liner's out. Oh, I think the strut survived. It's got aftermarket springs in it. So I do see a leak somewhere. Don't know what it's from. But I don't see any real damage except for this little bit here. That's not that bad. Okay. Ready? Control arm. Control arm slash probably tie rods. All right, let's get this control arm out. Now let's get this fender out and off so I don't keep hitting myself on it. All right, and look at the brakes. Okay, here's a lug nut. Let's see, can you see the brakes? Oh look, right here, paper thin, paper thin. All right, so I'm just gonna fit this in somewhere in the washing video before the end. First dismantle, this way we can see what we got. So with the control arm not connected, I mean, it sits, the strut sits nice, but on further inspection, look at this, ready? Look at the way this strut is twisted right here. Look at the spindle. Ready? Look at that. This thing took some serious hit Right here, look at that. Look at the way the bolt is bent down. This one's facing this way. This one's going, you know, let's see, this one's pointing at 3 o'clock, this one's pointing at like 4:30. It's amazing that this didn't snap. But you know what, I bet you this car needed ball joints. I never even checked the mileage on this car. Holy shit, I didn't even think of that. Oh, let's go figure how many miles are on this thing. Let's get the key. Hold on. Wow, unbelievable. 123,574. Imagine that was an 8, then I would say deja fucking vu, huh? If anybody knows me, you would understand why 2, 3, 5, 8, and 4 means something. Well, that's pretty damn close. All right, meant to be, meant to be. All right, so we got a 124,000 mile car. Not bad. All right, so this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and let's see what the progress is on the next one. Thanks.